Deals with a 1995 Mack model haul truck. Got the drop axle in the rear. Gonna give you a quick walk around video, let you see this unit. Runs, drives, operates as it should. Gonna give you a walk around here. Let's see. Got aluminum wheels. Nice show in the front. Runs clean. Does have a small little leak right here. You got a 100 to 150 gallons fuel tank. Drop axle in the rear. Running, let's see, 22.5s. Nice tread in the rear on the rears here. Airbags all aired up as they're supposed to. Good bags. Again, we got about 90% tread on this side. Running 24.5s on the rear and 22.5s on the drop axle here. Does have a wet kit to run the trailer. It does work. We just raise and lower the trailer. Got about 50% tread here. A bit of puppy blow by, but the truck has been sitting for quite a while, so this may clean up with some time. But it does not blow the cap off, so there's no bad rings or anything like that. It just has a little residual blow by. Single turbo, running a Boss injection pump. Good little pumps. Does have AC, not sure if it does work. No leaks to be shown. Looks like all the filters have been changed. Give you a quick interior video here, let you see the interior. It does have a little rip here. A rip here on the seat. We're showing 590,000 miles. And let's see, that'd be 15,058 hours. Good oil pressure. Engine brake, not sure if it works. Good PTO system set up here. Torn seat on the passenger side. Running 8-speed transmission here, probably an 8LL. Again, a CH613 model. This is a 1995, probably 95, 94, 95 model. CH613. Does have the headache rack in the rear, all set up. Pretty decent shape. Two-speed transmission. May have a few leaks. Hood's in print condition. We will go ahead and show the oil. Good clean oil, no glitter of any sort, no dirt to be excessive. And as it should. This unit's available through Equipment Deals. It's located here in Madill, Oklahoma. Please give us a call at 972-666-9501. Give you a quick little look at the hood. Hood's in good shape. All lights do work as they're supposed to. Give us a call.